Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Showing the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into a Capri Tools product. It's first-hand look at a new product recently released. So I'm pretty excited about it. If you're a follower of my channel and know exactly what I use and have, you'll understand why I'm excited about this product. But I'll share the specs with you, pricing, as well as my thoughts. And I will have the Capri Tools website linked down below for you guys, as well as the Tools Link, where I have a lot of Capri Tools and many other brands of tools that I suggest. So that's there for you. So if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I've been using Capri Tools for roughly 3 years now. I think the first Capri Tools item that I got was their screwdriver set, and then I also got a wrench set, a ratcheting wrench set, and recently the stubby wrench set that is for rounded off fasteners. And now we have this product, which I'm excited to share with you guys. So let's get into it. This is the brand new Capri Tools 3/8 drive Master Impact Socket Set. It's new to their lineup. Before, you could get their shallow sockets or their deep well sockets, or you could get them together. Now they have all three, and that's another reason I really enjoy Capri Tools. Is it's another tool company that actually listens to their customers. A lot of customers stated they wish they had a mid-length or a mid-depth socket, and now they have provided that, and they put together a whole kit. So I'm going to share the specs and pricing and all of that with you. But first, we're just going to take a real quick look at them. So they come packaged very well. It comes in a box, all wrapped in paper, and then each one of these individually comes wrapped in plastic, and then they're already in plastic rails with a plastic cover on them. So they're all packaged and organized very nicely. So here on the back, we'll take a look. This is the Capri Tools chromoly steel custom heat treatment 3/8 drive shallow impact socket set. It's a 15 piece, and here's all the sizes included, no skips, 8 through 22, and that goes for all three lengths. For the shallow, mid-length, or semi-deep, and the deep well sockets. So this is available in metric and SAE. This is the metric set. The metric set is going to be 45 sockets, or 3 sets of 15. And then the SAE set is going to be 36 sockets, so 9 sockets less. And then it's going to be 12 sockets per. And then as far as the height on each one of these, the shallows are going to be 1.2 inches tall, 1.8 inches tall, and 2.5 inches tall. I'll also be throwing a couple pictures up in here of some information as well for you guys. Like I stated, they're all chromoly. The other great thing is they're dual labeled. I'll show that to you real quick. It's got their wave drive design that helps grip fasteners better. And then another great thing is the lifetime warranty. And with Capri Tools, the lifetime warranty is a no hassle, real easy to deal with warranty. And that's one major thing you need to look at when getting tools, is a good company that you can trust in, a good quality tool for a good price, and a good warranty that you're not gonna have a headache over. So individually, for the entire Master metric set, it is going to run $140. For the SAE, it will be $125. That puts it roughly, for the metric, $46 per set, which I would pay all day long. And then for the SAE, it is $125 or $41 per set. But it's not just this that's included. So you have all of these in their organizers, very well lubricated to prevent rust or anything in storage before shipment. So it's very well taken care of, very well organized. And these are not flimsy organizers. The plastic is good quality, and it's got the cardboard labeling underneath. Well, it actually fills the entire bottom and gives this thing more of a structure. So it's a very solid organizer. But when you're spending the $140 on this set or the $125 on the SAE set, you also get the Westling organizer with it. So with the SAE set, it will be red, and with the metric, it is blue. I love that Westling and Capri are doing their little partnership or working together and providing Capri Tools a great solid organizer. Now, if you're a follower of my channel and watch my content pretty regularly, you know that if I were to ever switch from the Ernst Socket Boss organizers, this is the organizer that I would go with, and that's why I'm so excited about this set. Not only are you getting great quality sockets and organizers that come standard, but you're also getting a great high quality billet aluminum organizer from Westling, partnered with Capri Tools. And here you can see 3/8 metric, proudly made in the USA. Very nice. Obviously you can see all that oil from the sockets, but a very, very nice organizer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these thrown on here, see how they all fit, and then I'll show you the sockets up close, maybe wipe a couple off so you can see it a little bit better. And that's it as far as the information and pricing and everything. Now I'll kind of get this set up and share my thoughts with you. So there it is, all on the Westling organizer. And I gotta say, I love this thing. I love the quality of it. I love the color separation for metric and SAE. So eventually I might just switch to it. The one reason I really love the Ernst Socket Boss is because you can pull a whole rail out. They're all twist locking, so none of the sockets will fall off when taking it somewhere. But really, here at home, I'm not doing that. The rails never leave the box, because I work right in front of the box, so it's not like I'm going anywhere. Now, if I was at work, I would probably use the Ernst Socket Boss just because it's a little more versatile, but I would still even consider this. I absolutely love the Westling rails. I've loved them for years, and I don't know why I didn't go with them in the first place. I've been talking about them for years. You guys know that. But let's go ahead and take a look at each one. We'll go ahead and grab 22 of each size just so you can see. So it is dual labeled. You have the laser etching here, 22, and then you also have a stamped 22 on here as well. And if you wanted, you could color that in so you could easily see it, but that laser etching does just fine there. And that is fully coated for protection. And that is their kind of wave drive technology. Everybody's kind of got their own name for it. Really, really clean sockets. Here's the mid-length or semi-deep. And then the deep well socket. Broaching is about halfway down. Same thing with the mid-length. So just to kind of show you all of it. Now obviously everything is still extremely oily, the machine oil. There you can kind of see the height differences in the three. So overall, I think for the price, if you were to purchase these individually, it's around $46 a set. So for $140 for this whole set and the organizer to be included, I think this is a fantastic set. You're getting a good quality chromoly impact socket with good fitment and a great organizer. And even if you didn't want to use this organizer, they even come in actually nice organizers. So either way, I think it's a plus. I like that Capri Tools has them in this organizer, and they're not the cheap, super cheap ones like some other companies. They try to do versions of this and they use such thin plastic to where anytime you move it, it just breaks the plastic. With this cardboard underneath, I don't see any issues with this because I've been using the gear wrench ones in their plastic blow molded little organizers. I don't move them, but maybe once, twice a year, and I haven't broken one yet. And this feels to be better. I know it's silly, built because it's just thin plastic, but the rigidity of it is actually fairly decent compared to a lot of those cheaper ones is what I'm trying to say. So what I'm saying is I really like this set. I like the pricing for it. I love everything included, and I love that they listen to their customers. You got that lifetime warranty. And once again, if you use the Capri rewards program, it's 5% back or 5% in rewards on whatever you purchase. So I think it's a great set. And if you guys are interested, I'll have the Capri Tools website linked down below for you guys. If there's any information that I did forget to mention, please drop a question down below, or feel free to comment below on anything that I missed, or if you have any questions, anything like that. And then as you can see, it does still have some empty spaces over here. So if you wanted to throw a universal impact joint or anything like that, you got a couple free spaces over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, or if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.